On the left-hand side, go to background. You can choose some of the background options here. Or if you search for a background, you can also get one. So if you search for something and it doesn't return any results, then you'll have to search for something different. So if I search for example, landscape, these are all the different landscape backgrounds that are offered. And so anytime I put an image, this landscape background will always be in the background, and whatever images I put on top will be in the foreground. So if you search for something at the top and it doesn't appear, like what I just searched for, volcano, it doesn't appear, you can still make it as part of your background. So if I just search for any volcano images, I can still make this as part of my background. So you can just make sure that the position of this is always at the back. So in this case, it's already in the background. You can bring it forward to the front, but then this is going to be part of the foreground. So all you have to do is just make sure that it's in the background, and every other image that you place on top will be part of the foreground. So if you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave it down in the comment section below. If you enjoy my videos, consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you and have a great day.